Stop stressing over yacht maintenance. Let Adria Yachts handle it. Adria Yachts, located in the stunning Trogir, Croatia, is your ultimate destination for top-notch yacht services. As an authorized Bavaria Yacht Service Center, we specialize in engine and electrical maintenance, hull and deck repairs, and so much more. Our highly skilled team undergoes continuous training at Bavaria Yachts, ensuring we stay ahead of the curve with the latest techniques and technologies. But don't let the Bavaria badge fool you. We cater to all yacht brands, offering expert services like GFK repair, carpentry, and custom upholstery. At Adria Yachts, we understand your yacht is more than just a boat. It's your pride and joy. That's why our comprehensive services not only maintain, but also enhance the value of your vessel. Contact our technical support team today to discuss your specific needs and experience the Adria Yachts difference. Because when it comes to your yacht, you deserve nothing but the best. Adria Yachts, keeping your adventures smooth and your yacht in prime condition.